Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to open registry editor in Windows 10 PC. So friends, to open registry editor there are some easy and quick method. First one, click on start and type registry editor. regedit. So you will see registry editor. So click on it. And friends, if you find this interface, so no problem. And second method, to open registry editor, press Windows key plus R. Now in here type regedit and press OK. That's it. So hopefully friends, by this easy and simple method you can open registry editor in Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for latest update.